Okay, so we got to comments. A comment is text that we put in our code to improve its readability and maintainability. In C#, we have two ways to write comments. If your comment is only a single line, you can prefix the comment with /. But if your comment is longer and it's multiple lines, you need to start it with /* and then finish it with */. This type of comment is more like the comments we used to write in C and C++ code. These days, it's more conventional to write either single line or multi-line comments prefixing with /. So in this example, we can rewrite this multi-line comment with // style like this. Now, as a rule of thumb, keep your comments to minimum. Use comments only when required, and that's when explaining whys, hows, constraints, and things like that. Do not explain what the code is doing. Your code should be so clean and straightforward that it doesn't need comment. If a comment explains just what the code is doing, it's redundant. And the problem with redundant comments is we change the code, but not everyone is very consistent in changing the comments. So after a while, these comments become outdated. And because they don't get compiled like the code, there is no way to validate them, and after a while, they become useless. So again, keep them to minimum and explain whys, hows, and constraints that you had at the time you wrote the code, so the next person who is reading your code knows the reason why you wrote the code that way.